Expert Driver Training Newcastle, affordable lessons for confident driving. Looking for reliable driver training? Newcastle Novocastrian offers comprehensive driving instruction with expert trainers, flexible scheduling, and modern vehicles. Why choose us? Affordable rates, offering the most reasonable pricing for driver training in Newcastle. Trusted expertise, backed by experienced trainers with years of professional driving instruction. Personalized lessons, tailored training programs to suit individual learning needs and driving goals. Dependable service, reliable and consistent driver training focused on safety and skill development. High success rate, proven track record of helping students confidently pass their driving tests. Modern vehicles, training conducted in well-maintained, up-to-date vehicles for a comfortable learning experience. Flexible scheduling, convenient lesson times to fit around your busy lifestyle.